In this video, I will show you how to force HTTPS in Cloudflare step by step. If you want to make sure all visitors access your website securely using HTTPS instead of HTTP, Cloudflare makes it very easy to enable this setting. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select your website. Once you are inside, go to the SSL or TLS section in the menu. Look for a setting called Always Use HTTPS and turn it on. This option will automatically redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS, ensuring secure connections for every visitor. Next, you can also set up a page rule for more control. Go to the Rules section and create a new rule. Enter your website URL with HTTP and set the rule to forward to the HTTPS version using a 301 redirect. Save and deploy the rule so it becomes active. Finally, test your website by typing the HTTP version in your browser and make sure it redirects to HTTPS. If it does not work right away, clear your cache or wait a few minutes for changes to apply. That is it. You now know how to force HTTPS using Cloudflare and keep your site secure.